And there's a little girl and her hands are all blue because she's been doing finger painting. And there's a little boy drinking out of a sippy cup. Is he drinking out of a sippy cup? Look. Wow, what's that? That's a leaf. And there's the owl goes woo, 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 woo. That's the owl. And this, turn the page. There's a little boy taking a bath. Is that a good bath? Yeah, the little boy likes to take a bath. Is that good, mum, mon amour? Is that a good mum? Num, num. Num, num with the mum. What's that? The baby rabbit. That's the baby rabbit, look. Oh, the baby rabbits. All the baby rabbits. Okay, turn the page. Try to do it with one hand. Not easy. There. There's some more baby rabbits. Yeah. There's some more baby rabbits. They're wanting to go on a picnic. The baby rabbits want to go on a picnic.